TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 12 noon Eastern time on Thursday, middle of the trading day. And we have markets in negative territory, but we're making a run for session highs as we speak. S&P is currently negative by 4 points, trading at 2737. Dow Jones negative 68 points, trading at 25,296. And the NASDAQ negative by 23, trading at 7267. All of those indices off the lows, though. You get 10-year note up 4 ticks, 30-year bond up 7 ticks, seeing a little bit of higher price, lower yield on the heels of Chairman Powell, his speech yesterday, hinting to a more dovish stance. You have the dollar index basically flat, up 54 ticks at 96,735. Oil, up $1.50 at 51.79, and gold up $2.70, 12.2630. Let's take a look at some of the futures markets. We'll start off with the S&P 500. So as I said, basically approaching session highs. We were down there an hour ago at 27.25. We're now a solid 10 points above that level in the S&Ps, 27.36. Dow 30, pretty similar story, not quite back up to where we were around the market open, which is 25,355. The Dow about 60 points below that level. NASDAQ 100 trading at 68.84. About an hour ago, we were trading down there at 68.44. So you're talking about 40 points in the last hour to the upside. Natural gas, we got inventory numbers at 10:30 this morning. A little bit more natural gas than they had expected. You saw the price fall from $4.55 down to a spike of I'll get that on the chart. There is your 10:30 volatility. We go from $4.55 down to a low of $4.45, and we're right back almost at that $4.55 range. Crude oil trading higher for most of the morning after dipping below $50 in between about 3:30 and 6:30 in the morning, now trading 51.68, and Bitcoin trading at 43.21. In terms of what you have happening across the world, fundamentally, news breaking that China trade hawk Peter Navarro, so he'll be attending the dinner between President Trump and President Xi of China. And then you also have President Trump canceling the G20 meeting with Putin on the heels of his former lawyer, Michael Cohen, testifying that he has a deal with prosecutor Mueller this morning. See what happens over there. Stay tuned. We got our man Basil Chapman coming up right now with the Tiger Technicians Hour. Then, of course, Steve Rhodes at 1 o'clock with the Trader's Edge, Dave White at 2 o'clock with the Power Trading Hour, and Tom O'Brien live from 3 till 5. We got Fed Minutes 2 hours from right now at 2 o'clock as well. Stay tuned, folks. Basil Chapman coming up right now.